Rolls-Royce has always been the pinnacle of luxury, craftsmanship, and performance. With the 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith, the British automaker continues its legacy, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. This article will take you through everything you need to know about the upcoming Wraith, from its design, performance, features, and why it remains the most desirable grand tourer on the planet. Exterior design, a masterpiece on wheels. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith takes luxury coupe design to an entirely new level. Expect a sleek yet powerful stance, with updated LED headlights with laser technology for an ultra-clear night vision. A redesigned Pantheon grille, making it more aerodynamic. Bespoke paintwork options, with new two-tone schemes never seen before. Coach doors, suicide doors with electric opening for the ultimate entrance. Bold, elegant, and unmistakably Rolls-Royce, the 2025 Wraith is a statement of status and prestige. Interior, the definition of bespoke luxury. Inside, the Wraith's cabin is a sanctuary of supreme comfort. Rolls-Royce offers unlimited customization, allowing owners to personalize every detail. Starlight Headliner 2.0 now featuring interactive shooting stars and constellations. Handcrafted leather seats with new cooling and massage functions. Advanced wood veneer and metal trims, each piece hand-finished. Crystal clear sound system by Bespoke Audio, with 24 speakers. Illuminated Spirit of Ecstasy on the dashboard. Every ride in the Wraith is a first-class experience. Powertrain, a silent beast under the hood. Rumors suggest the 2025 Wraith could move toward electrification while still delivering exceptional power. Standard V12 engine, 6.6L twin-turbo or a new hybrid powertrain. Expected 0 to 60 mph in 4.2 seconds, luxury with speed. Whisper quiet ride, thanks to Rolls-Royce's unmatched engineering. New all-wheel drive system for better handling in any condition. Rolls-Royce continues to balance performance and comfort better than any luxury automaker. Technology, the future of luxury driving. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith will come loaded with the latest tech innovations. Autonomous driving mode, advanced driver assistance for effortless cruising. Augmented reality heads-up display, projects navigation onto the windshield. AI-powered infotainment system, seamless connectivity with voice and gesture controls. Smart glass windows, change tint at the touch of a button. Remote chauffeur mode, control the car via your smartphone. Luxury meets intelligence in the most technologically advanced Wraith ever. Pricing and availability. As expected, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith will come with a premium price tag. Rolls-Royce offers a one-of-a-kind ordering experience, allowing buyers to craft a vehicle that is uniquely theirs. Expect deliveries to start in late 2024 or early 2025. Should you buy the 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith? If you seek the pinnacle of automotive luxury, the 2025 Wraith is for you. It combines timeless elegance, unmatched craftsmanship, powerful yet silent performance, next-level technology. It is not just a car, it is an experience, a lifestyle, a statement. Watch the full review on YouTube. Want to see the 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith in action? Check out the best YouTube reviews and cinematic showcases. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith unveiled. Replace with actual video.